Hey y'all, what's up, So today is 7 weeks and 6 days. It is 11/21, so November 21st is first. It's a Saturday, and we're here to get our first ultrasound. So we're at Pro Care Ultrasound, super excited. We get to hear the baby's heartbeat and everything. This week, my symptoms, I've been nauseous, mostly eating soup, and very fatigued. But sometimes I feel like when I touch my belly, I can see, well not see, but I can hear and feel the baby's heartbeat. So we're very, very excited, and we'll show you the ultrasound and everything, what it looks like. So stay tuned. So we had the ultrasound, and these are the pictures that were delivered from the ultrasound, and I'll also share the video. Wow.
So here is the baby. You see the heart?
Wow,
beating?
yeah. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Right there. That's the baby heartbeat.
So does it look pretty?
174.
Is that normal?
Yeah, that's good.
Is that the pretty accurate place to be at 7 or 8 weeks?
Yep.
Okay.
So right now you see this part right here is the head. This is the body.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Head,
Oh.
body.
Okay.
Little legs down here towards this way. Hold on, let me see if I can see it. Angle better. Here, there you go. You can see it better here. So that's a head now. It's wiggle. It's wiggle. It's wiggling.
Oh wow.
You see?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Heart again. So this
Oh,
right
look at the
here,
feet. Yeah,
these
I
are
can
the legs.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
So
Is that the brain?
head, yeah,
Yeah.
head, body, legs, arm.
Oh. Wow.
But you can totally see the little limbs and the tiny hands and the brain, and we could hear the heartbeat, which you'll be able to hear everything, and it was just so surreal. I almost started crying while I was in the seat, just hearing the heartbeat and it being so healthy, and seeing, I'm claiming it's a boy, and seeing him wiggle, and no, it's not twins, but one healthy baby boy, and we were so excited. I just can't believe this little being is literally growing inside my belly right as we speak. Like, and this is crazy because sometimes I literally feel like when I'm taking a nap, I can hear his heartbeat at the same time as I can hear mine, where I literally feel like I can feel his heartbeat. And we're going to be entering week 8 soon, but I know like this week, he's the size of a blueberry, but he's definitely bigger based off of the measurements. He's almost about 1.9 centimeters. And so even though technically I'm 7 weeks and 6 days, according to the measurements, it's 8 weeks and 2 days. So his birthday will be either July 1st or July 4th, but nonetheless, he'll be a Cancer baby like his mama. My birthday is July 14th, so we're really excited. Aaron couldn't be here, he had to go to work, but I just wanted to share the news with you. And this is going on the end of week 7. We're about to enter week 8. I've been healthy. I've still been working out, not lifting as heavy, but I definitely get winded way faster. My goal, I never let my heartbeat get above 155, 160. When it gets there, I take a break, I catch my breath, but working out's definitely not the same. And I think I'm going to start taking it a lot easier the remainder of this first trimester, just to be on the safe side until we enter week 13, which is the second trimester. So thank you all for being here on this experience and this journey. And to my future baby boy, when you watch this one day, you just started as a little being right inside your mama's belly. And I cannot wait to meet you. We cannot wait to meet you. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.